To get the current device location coordinates in Thunkable, you can use the location sensor component. This component allows your app to access the device's GPS services and retrieve the current latitude and longitude of the user. These coordinates can then be displayed on screen, stored in a database, used with maps, or incorporated into other location-based features. Start by opening your Thunkable project and navigating to the Design tab. Once you are on the desired screen, locate the component library and add a location sensor component. Because it is a non-visible component, it will not appear directly on the screen. Instead, it will be listed in the components area below your visible elements. To make the coordinates visible to users, you can add 2 label components to your screen. One label can be used to display the latitude value, while the second label can display the longitude value. This step is optional, but it is useful when testing or demonstrating location functionality. After setting up the components, switch to the Blocks editor. The first step is to request the current location when the screen opens. Create a When Screen Opens block and place the location sensors Get Current Location block inside it. This tells the app to retrieve the device's location as soon as the screen is loaded. Next, create a When Location Sensor Location Change block. This event is triggered whenever the device successfully detects a location update. The block provides latitude and longitude values that can be used throughout your app. Inside this event, set the text of the latitude label to the latitude value and the text of the longitude label to the longitude value. When the location is retrieved, the labels will automatically update and display the coordinates on screen. If you plan to use these coordinates elsewhere, you can also store them in variables, send them to a database, or pass them to a map component for location-based navigation and mapping features. Before testing, make sure location services are enabled on your device. When the app runs for the first time, the operating system will usually request permission to access location information. Granting this permission is necessary for the location sensor to function properly. For the most accurate results, test the app on a physical Android or iOS device rather than a browser preview. GPS hardware on real devices provides more reliable coordinate data and better reflects actual user conditions. Once permission is granted and the location is detected, the app will retrieve the current latitude and longitude and make them available for use within your project. And that's how you get current device location coordinates in Thunkable. Add a location sensor, request the current location, handle location updates through blocks, and use the latitude and longitude values wherever they are needed in your app.